Welcome to another captivating lecture by Cardboard Box Finance. In today's episode, we delve into the fascinating world of economic history to explore the infamous Panic of 1619, better known as the Tulip Mania crisis. Join us as we embark on a deeper exploration of the events that unfolded in the Dutch Republic during this extraordinary period of speculative frenzy and economic upheaval. The Tulip Mania crisis of 1619 was a remarkable episode in Dutch history, marked by a speculative fever surrounding tulip bulbs. Tulips, originating from the Ottoman Empire, were relatively new to Europe and quickly captivated the Dutch population with their vibrant colors and unique beauty. As the popularity of tulips grew, so did their value. Soon, they became coveted items, not just for their aesthetic appeal, but also as symbols of wealth and social status. This newfound fascination laid the groundwork for what would become one of the most extraordinary economic bubbles in history. The tulip market in the Dutch Republic rapidly transformed into a speculative frenzy. People from all walks of life, from merchants to artisans, saw the potential for enormous profits and eagerly invested in tulip bulbs. Prices soared to astonishing levels, fueled by a sense of excitement and the desire for quick wealth. The speculative fervor reached its peak in the winter of 1636–1637, with prices skyrocketing to unprecedented heights. Rare tulip bulbs, such as the Semper Augustus and the Viceroy, became the objects of intense desire and speculation. At the height of tulip mania, the value of some tulip bulbs exceeded that of houses or even precious metals. Trading in tulip futures emerged, allowing investors to buy and sell bulbs they did not yet possess. The tulip market had become a captivating and lucrative arena for speculation. However, as with any speculative bubble, the foundations upon which tulip mania was built proved to be unstable. In early 1637, doubts began to emerge regarding the sustainability of the tulip trade and the feasibility of ever-increasing prices. Additionally, an outbreak of the bubonic plague in the Dutch Republic further contributed to a loss of confidence among investors. Uncertainty and fear spread, leading to a sudden reversal of sentiment. The tipping point came in February 1637, when the tulip market experienced a swift and dramatic collapse. Prices plummeted, leaving many investors with bulbs they could no longer sell at the inflated prices they had once anticipated. The fallout from the tulip mania crisis was profound. People who had invested heavily in tulips faced significant financial losses, some losing fortunes overnight. The economic consequences reverberated through Dutch society, leading to bankruptcies, job losses, and a general sense of disillusionment. However, it is worth noting that the impact of the tulip mania crisis on the Dutch economy as a whole was limited. While there were individual tragedies, the Dutch Republic quickly recovered from the crisis and continued its trajectory as a prosperous and influential economic power. The legacy of tulip mania lies not only in its cautionary tale, but also in its enduring fascination. It serves as a reminder of the fragility of markets and the potential consequences of unchecked speculation. Tulip mania has captured the imagination of scholars, economists, and enthusiasts for centuries, prompting discussions on human psychology, market dynamics, and the allure of financial bubbles. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the Panic of 1619, the Tulip Mania crisis. We hope this deeper exploration has provided you with valuable insights into this extraordinary event in economic history. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And as always, approach investment opportunities with caution, keeping in mind the lessons learned from historical events. Until next time.